So we were just gifted this 6.5 gallon backpack sprayer from VEVOR. Nice thing about this is it's actually gas powered. So versus just pumping by hand, the one that we have now, this thing is going to save us a ton of arm strength. This unit, like I said, is 6.5 gallons. So you're going to have a lot of product in here. We use it on multiple acreages. So moving around the property, spraying weeds, spraying bugs, doing things like that. Hand pumping is definitely a thing of the past with this. It is a 2-stroke motor. So you are going to have to mix your fuel. And the motor is a 26.5cc motor, so that is definitely going to give you a lot of power in spraying. Nice thing about this is it comes with a lot of accessories. It came with some hearing protection, which is great. Some gloves, little fluid mix for your chemicals here. You can measure your chemicals before you put it in. A bunch of different attachments for the wand, some service items for your motor, and a roll of Teflon tape for all your fittings. So I'll give you everything to get you going here. This is your fluid dump. So top here you have your top fill, and it comes with a nice screen. Keeps all your debris out. Again, 6.5 gallons, so plenty of room for fluid. So next step, let's go outside, let's fill this thing up and show you guys how it works. So as you can see, this thing works awesome. It's definitely going to save a lot of hand pumping on all the property here, and it's got a lot of power. So I am looking forward to using this, and if you have a lot of land to maintain, highly recommend this.